Move forward, please.
Do we already have the list? Can we have the magic envelope for our top 8? Sino ba sa ninyo ang papasok?
Yes, sino?
I cannot do it.
Number 31. Ano na yung 31 ka, Day?
Number 31, Day.
Baliktad ko lang, 13, Day.
Number 31 na yun. What may contest ng number 31?
Baliktad ko daw. Wala ka ba siya ba?
Bobo pala. Bobo, hindi marunong yan.
Ay, meron dito. Si Marjorie. Marjorie. 31 pa din, Day. Baliktad ko man.
31, Day.
Number 36.
Number! Paano mo tayo nagkakaroon ito?
Sa letra B. B. Ba.
Yo.
Yes, lumabas ka! Lumabas ka man!
Hinahanap pa ngayon ng listahan ng top 8, ladies and gentlemen. We're still looking for that list. Just hold on. Ano ba?
Kasi sabi mo rin, Jimmy?
Teka lang po muna, you guys relax. Why don't we do a little bit of an interview here?
Yes.
Let's start with
Let's
the
start
last
with-
contestant. How do you think was your performance earlier today? Kumusta yung performance mo? If not English, it's okay Spanish.
The top connection is very, very...
Tabulating.
Well, kasi magkaputos-putos ang magkakalayo, so they're making sure para hindi tayo
Miss Universe. Well, I was interviewing him, Gerard, and he said that he was really nervous delivering this song. Yes.
Paano ba niya na-deliver ang song?
Na-deliver by Globo. Ikaw, Gerard, why don't you interview a few people from your side?
Dito tayo kay Star!
Star! Can you explain what is your performance?
Yeah. Virgin si Star, magsalita.
Wow. Very demure. Ano masasabi mo? Maraming
Maraming kong fans! Gusto kalit ka ba sa mundo?
Saan yung number 11? Number 11.
Ay, ito! Si Sir pala, Sir!
Akala ko taga Cebu City siya. Pero
Kagalingan, di
Oro. Bisaya pa din. Okay.
English now, English.
Grabe siya English. Bakit naging Bisaya naman to?
Oh, Gerard.
Okay, Ma'am John, ano masasabi mo sa performance mo kanina?
I think I really did well. Because it's been like 7 or 8 years since I haven't performed here, so I think this is the best bonus and gift for me to be here on stage. And thank you very much for everyone.
And for that, you are. Oh, okay. Next.
How about Jamie?
Uy, bakit lalaki lang mga ini-interview?
Tayo, bakit naman ba ito eh?
Ha?
Dito tayo.
Dito tayo. Jamie muna dyan. Jamie, how are you? Kamusta yung performance mo kanina? Kinabahan ka ba? Anong sa feeling mo na? Do you think you sang it well?
I think so. Medyo...
JB, wifi ka ba?
Okay.
Tumahimik. Late na naman.
Okay, dito tayo sa red and shiny shimmery blended.
Madam Crystal! Madam Crystal!
Dapat naka-crystal.
Amoy Bruna de Los Angeles.
So, Madam Crystal, anong masasabi mo ngayon sa mga tao na nandito nagsuporta sa inyo?
Ikaw bahala.
Chinese,
Tayo.
gusto mo Chinese, ni hao chino.
Natutuwa at nagagalak sa pagsuporta dito sa amin. Thank you so much.
Paano para natutuwa? Okay, dito tayo. Dito tayo sa white na naman. All white. Diba?
And then all white.
Yes. White and black. Black and white. So, tama. Okay, ikaw ay black.
Mami, kamusta tayo dyan? Kinakabahan ba tayo? First time mo sumali. Pero saan ka na? Kumakanta ka ba sa simbahan? Kumakanta ka ba sa bahay nyo?
Sa CR lang.
Sa Glee Club. So, kailang taon dito?
Grabe naman, no? Okay, si ate dito, ang ganyan mo naman, mommy, ate, mommy. So, ilang taon ka na? Do you have kids? Okay. Ilan ang kids mo? Meron ka PhilHealth?
Speaking of kids, dito tayo kay Mami Marjorie.
Wait, hindi pa kapatid. Ano ba pala sila? Okay. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Wow!
Ang daming kids dito, dahil. Speaking of kids. Okay.
Hindi siya masyadong productive.
Yes. Parang ano, anay, at saka ma.
Wala!
Shut up po! Tao lang po.
Mami Marjorie, a proud mother of 8. So, paano ginawa?
Oh, wala kayo dyan. Wala kayo.
It just happened. This one, it also just happened.
Kanina na.
Napagod siya sa akin.
Ayan. Ready na ba? Ang top 8.
No, they're still tabulating it at the moment. They're still checking it.
So, ano kaya, balik na lang tayo sa competition from
Okay.
1 to 19.
From 1 to 19.
No, I'll go check the judges downstairs.
Okay.
You
And
guys
also,
take care of
let's
this.
interview more Mami Marjorie because she has a very interesting story. Actually, she lives in Valencia. She came all the way from Valencia to join the competition, but she's originally from Cebu, from Dipolo, married to a German, and